Hi everyone, let's take a look at what presentation we are going to create. It's pretty nice, I think, and I hope you like it. Let's see how we can create that. Okay, at first we need to create this slide. The first slide is created. The next one are as easy as a cake. So for this, we need a background. This is the background. We save the background, then add it again. Okay, we save it. Now we add the background from here. Insert or here. You can find the background you want. I think this is the one. Okay, after adding that, you need to create this text. This is just a text, nothing special about that. The thing that make it harder for someone to create that is shapes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now select all the shapes. The trick here comes, go to shape outline and pick the shape outline you want, and then for the shape fill use eyedrop and this color, but with a little lower transparency. Sorry, then select all of them and give them some glowing effect if you want. It's up to you, but I think this effect is enough. Then 3 circles with your pictures. Now copy this slide, rotate it, then add the next slide. We do a lot of this work in our channel. Because of that, I'm not going to take your time and I'm going to show you the final result. You see, it's pretty nice and amazing. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.